Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Today on DoodleDrawArt, we are doing some of the characters and details that I drew on this speed doodle. We have drawn this cute rabbit, and this cute rabbit, and this cute rabbit, and we've drawn 3 chickens. 1, 2, and 3. Now, we're going to draw some of the details. We're going to draw the egg, the carrot, and the flower. So for the egg, it's nice to start off with your pencil. So when you draw an egg shape, it's really nice to have it a little pointy at the bottom and kind of nice and big and curved. Pointy at the top, curved at the bottom. And for the carrot, it's kind of the same thing. The carrot is going to be curved at the top like this and then coming down to a point. It's a little bit longer than the egg. And then we're just going to have some green stuff coming out the top. And for the flowers, I was always drawing their little faces first, and then making a circle around that, and then drawing in the petals. And if you start with a petal just above the top of his head like this, you can end up down here with 1, 2, 3, and then we'll have 4, and then we have room for 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Doesn't have to be like that, it can be any way at all. All right, so now I'm switching over to my gel pen, and I'm going to draw the outline of this egg. So if you're looking for any of the supplies that I'm using in this video, you can check the video description. And if you're looking for the speed doodle or any of these other characters, just check the info cards. And I'll do the carrot like so. Just doing the outlines for now. I'm going to come back and put the details in a moment. And the flower, I think the flower is going to be done when we trace him over here. He was pretty easy. You probably could just go straight to marker on these little flowers because they don't need to be too perfect, and you don't really need any sketch marks to help guide your shapes, which is awesome. You can see I didn't really trace over the lines I drew anyway. All right, so for the egg, we're just going to draw some lines here that curve down a bit. They don't go straight across. You can do 2 or 3 lines, and because they're kawaii, we're just going to put a little face in the middle of the egg. And then for the carrot, we're going to put the face closer to the top, like this. And when we draw the lines, they're still going to curve down, but they're not going to go all the way across the shape. We're just going to make them look like ridges on a carrot. So I'm going to erase my pencil lines, just like I always do, just like you should always do. And then I'm going to come back and just do a little bit of outlining with a thicker black marker. And for this, I'm going to use the same pen I was using in my speed doodle, and that is my Fudenosuke brush tip pen, which is a calligraphy pen, but I really like the way it gives different thicknesses on my lines. So if I don't press very hard, I can get a thin line, and then the harder I press, the thicker the line gets. It just gives it a little bit of extra dimensional look. Now this one's done just like that. And then the carrot, I'm going to come around like so, and down to the bottom like that. And you can decide whether you want to bring your line across in here or leave it open a bit. I'll leave it open. And then for the flowers, I just went around the very edge. I didn't bring my brush tip back all the way to the circle because it gets a little bit heavy looking and muddy. So it's better to just go around the outside. Every time you meet another petal, just stop your pen and you're done. All right, so that was everything. All of the characters from this cute little cartoon speed doodle, and all that's left is the words Happy Easter. So I'm gonna do that one next. What the heck? So join me in the next video. Click the info card on the corner, click like and subscribe and all the good stuff, and we'll see you soon.